In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Stores filter and sort feature. Whether you're looking to streamline how you manage your online inventory or just want to make the shopping experience smoother for your customers, this feature is invaluable. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to navigate these tools to optimize your store's performance. Let's get started. First, make your way over to the Wix website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Wix URL, bringing you to the home page. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your store website. You should see a dashboard with various options. Navigate to where you manage your store. This is where all the magic happens for managing the key aspects of your online store. Now focus your attention on the Manage Products section. Click on it. This area is essentially your command center for everything product related. In this section, you can take charge of your product listings, organize them, and ensure they're presented as you want them to appear to potential customers. Here, you have control over how you display items, set pricing, and manage inventory. With the list of your products in front of you, it's time to delve into the filter options. Once inside the Manage Products area, look for the Filter option and give it a click. The filter function is your go-to tool when you want to sift through large volumes of products efficiently. It's particularly helpful if your store has a diverse product range or if you're running special promotions on select items. The filter tool allows you to narrow down your inventory to find exactly what you need quickly without scrolling through every single product. Now, let's filter your items. This feature is flexible and lets you arrange your view by a few different criteria. You can filter by products, so if you're trying to find specific product types or categories, this is perfect. Maybe you want to check the inventory of a specific product line, or you need to focus only on items currently visible to customers. Simply choose the criteria that match your needs. Want to see what's in stock or check on the visibility status of your items? The inventory and visibility filters are especially useful for this. With a few clicks, these options allow you to see what products are low on stock or might need their visibility adjusted to align with your store's current strategy. Understanding and mastering these tools not only makes managing your store much more straightforward, but also enhances customer experience by keeping everything organized and easy to access. Thanks for joining us today as we delved into the Wix Filter and Sort feature, a small but mighty tool in your online store management arsenal. Happy managing!